ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद द्वितीय अध्याय अजातशत्रु ब्राह्मण। Some questions were raised in Bhashya itself. Why prana is considered as abhokta, means achetana, means jada. So the answer was given that prana heard its name but did not respond, and therefore there is no chetanatvam. So Purvapakshi said the same is also true for Atma. These names, Atma also Prana Vyatirikta Chaitanya, that Ajatashatru referred, he also did not respond. So you cannot say because of this reason Prana is Abhokta. So what was the answer given? Abhimana. That Abhimana, Prana, is only one avayava. Atma is samasta sanghat abhimani. Prani. It is not prana. And therefore, it did not have only abhimana in prana devata, like the drishtanta was given. So, yatha hastah, padah, angulihi ityadi namoktau maitro na uttishtati, because maitra has sarvadeha abhimana. Like that, Purvapakshi said, Chandrama also, Chandrasyapi prana ekadeshatvat tannamabhi sambodhane krishnabhimani sa na uttishtati. Chandra, all these names are actually belonging to Chandrama. Somo, Rajan, and Pandaravasa, etc. So that is ekadesha of prana. Prana ekadeshatvat tannamabhi sambodhane krishnabhimani na uttishtati. This was the Ashanka. So Siddhanti said, no, it's dharma once it is established. न तो प्राणस्य साधारण नाम संयोगे अप्रतिपत्ति ही युक्ता. प्राणस्य साधारण नाम, these are साधारण नाम of prana also. Sadharan nama of prana is referred and it did not have apratipatti is not yukta. It should have pratipatti. Further, in Tika, page number 440. No, this is done, right? 440, this is done. No, this is not done. 443. 443 Tika. प्राणवत् चिदात्मनोपि पूर्णतया सर्वात्म अभिमान सिद्धेर बोधा बोधौ तुल्या वित्याशंक्य आह. Another shanka now. If you say prana is समष्टि पूर्ण, आत्मा इज ऑल्सो पूर्ण है। आत्मनोपि प्राणवत पूर्णतया सर्वात्म अभिमान सिद्धे है। आत्मा ऑल्सो शुड हैव सर्वात्म अभिमान। बोधा बोधौ तुल्यौ, प्राण डिड नॉट हैव बोध, आत्मा ऑल्सो डिड नॉट हैव बोध इति आशंका है। इन अदर वर्ड्स, if the nama prayoga of prana was done and prana did not have bodha, atma also is similar. Atma also will become achetana only if you use this hetu, says Purvapakshi. See in Bhashya. देवतात्मत्व अनभिमानाच्च आत्मनः। देवतात्मत्व अभिमान is not there in atma. Atma does not have abhimana in prana devata. Just as prana did not have abhimana in chandrama, atma doesn't have. See, further he explains in Tika. विशिष्टस्य आत्मनो देवतायाम आत्मतत्व अभिमान अभावात् इतरस्य च कूटस्थ ज्ञप्ति मात्रत्वेन तदयोगात् न तुल्यता इत्यर्थः। विशिष्टस्य आत्मनो देवतायाम आत्मत्व अभिमान अभावात्, विशिष्टस्य आत्मनः, विशिष्टस्य 70 नंबर टिप्पणी, संघात अभिमानी, आत्मा इज समस्त संघात अभिमानी, नॉट एकदेश। संघात अभिमानिनः आत्मनः देवतायाम आत्मत्व अभिमान अभावात्, प्राण देवतायाम it did not have abhimana only in prana devata because it is supposed to have abhimana in samashti, sanghata only. देवतायाम आत्मत्व अभिमान अभावात् इतरस्य च कूटस्थ ज्ञप्ति मात्रत्वेन, इतरस्य मुख्य आत्मनः, मुख्य आत्मा इज see now here, इतरस्य संघात साक्षिणः. So you have one sanghata abhimani, another sanghata sakshi. इतरस्य च कूटस्थ ज्ञप्ति मात्रत्वेन तदयोगात्, तदयोगात् अभिमान, कुत्रापि अभिमान असंभवात् न तुल्यता. So they are not similar. So now आत्मा शब्द actually refers to drashta, this कूटस्थ ज्ञप्ति मात्र. See further, थोड़ा let's read. प्रकारांतरेण प्राणस्य अभोक्तृत्वं वारयन् आशंकते. Another shanka is there. प्रकारांतरेण, in different way, प्राणस्य अभोक्तृत्वं वारयन्. How? In भाष्य, स्वनाम प्रयोगे अपि अप्रतिपत्ति दर्शनात् अयुक्तम इति चेत्. स्वनाम प्रयोग, प्राण नाम प्रयोग was done अप्रतिपत्ति दर्शनात्. So this can happen In the example of Devadatta, let's say Devadatta Nama Prayoga is done, and still Devadatta does not respond. He explains that in further Bhashya itself. सुषुप्तस्य यल्लौकिकं देवदत्तादि नाम तेनापि संबोध्यमानः कदाचित् न प्रतिपद्यते. Devadatta is sleeping and somebody says, Devadatta, wake up. And he doesn't hear, he doesn't wake up. So like that, that does not mean Devadatta is achetana. So prana also same thing can happen. Kadachit na pratipadyate. Sushuptas तथा भोक्ता अपि सन प्राणो न प्रतिपद्यते इति चेत. In the same way, prana who is sushupta, भोक्ता अपि न प्रतिपद्यते. This is पूर्व पक्ष सी टीका. तदेव विवृणोति सुषुप्तस्य. अयुक्तम प्राणेतरस्य भोक्तृत्वम इति शेषः. Therefore, प्राण इतरस्य भोक्तृत्वम अयुक्तम. प्राण इतर आत्मा. आत्मनः भोक्तृत्वम चेतनत्वम. Bhoktartvam means Chetanatva. Atma is Chaitanya is not established yet. Purvapakshi is saying. That was elaborated. Tadev Vivranoti Sushuptas Tatha. Siddhanti says, who is sleeping? Prana is not asleep. Atma as Sanghata Abhimani is asleep. Atma as Sanghata Abhimani is sleeping. See. In Bhashya, na आत्म प्राणयोः सुप्त असुप्तत्व विशेषोपपत्तेः. Between Atma and Prana, Atma Sanghata Abhimani. Sanghata Abhimani and Prana, between them, Supta Asupta Bheda is there. Sanghata Abhimani has gone to sleep, not Prana. Tika. Kashya Abhishta Atmanah Suptatva Vishesha Prayuktam Phalam Aha. Kashya Abhishta Atma. Kashya Abhishta Atma is actually not Sanghata Abhimani. It is Drashta. Okay. Right? Kashya Abhishta Atma is Shuddha Chaitanya. Kashya Abhishta Atmanah Suptatva Vishesha Prayuktam Phalam. In Bhashya, Suptatvat Pranagrastataya Uparata Karana Atma Swanama Prayujyamanam api na pratipadyate. Yesterday a question had come. If you use the word Atma, just as you said Pandarvasa, etc., you say Atma, he is not going to wake up. Or Satchidananda, he is not going to wake up. Why? Sushuptatvat. This Sanghata Abhimani has gone to sleep. Why? Pranagrastataya Uparata Karana. Because all the Karanas have merged in Prana. So Abhimani does not hear. Uparata Karana, Atma. Swanama Prayujyamana api. Swanama is Dvitiya. Nama is Napunsakalinga. So Prathama Dvitiya will go same. Swanama Prayujyamanam api. Na Pratipadyate. So this is answer to that Devadatta Shabda. In Laukika, how Devadatta, when he hears his name, he doesn't respond. देवदत्तादि नाम हाउ संबोध्यमान अपि कदाचित् न प्रतिपद्यते. So in that response it is said prana has not gone to sleep, but Sanghat Abhimani has gone to sleep. See further. प्राणस्य अपि संहृत करणत्वात् स्वनाम अग्रहणम इति आशंक्य. You see, prana also is samhrita karana. If you say atma is samhrita upakarana, all the karanas have been withdrawn. Therefore, sanghata abhimani did not respond. But prana also is like that, Purvapakshi says. Iti ashankya tasya asuptatva kritam karyam kathayati. Prana is asupta, is not supta. नतु तद असुप्तस्य प्राणस्य भोक्तृत्व उपरतकरणत्वम संबोधन अग्रहणम वा युक्तम. You have to read this way. Tad उपकरणत्वम उपरतकरणत्वम तद उपरतकरणत्वम असुप्तस्य प्राणस्य भोक्तृत्वे संबोधन अग्रहणम वा न युक्तम. Again I will say तद उपरतकरणत्वम असुप्तस्य प्राणस्य भोक्तृत्वे संबोधन अग्रहणम वा न युक्तम. उपरतकरणत्वम is not there in case of asupta prana, and therefore asuptasya pranasya bhoktritve, if you are saying asupta prana is bhokta, only thing because is uparata karana, therefore sambodhana agrahanam is not true. In this way you should understand. Didn't get it? Okay. Prana is not bhokta according to Siddhanti. Means not Chaitanya. Purvapakshi says prana is Chaitanya. Siddhanti says Atma is Uparata Karana. All his Karanas are withdrawn. Purvapakshi says Prana is also Uparata Karana. Uparata Karanatva Hetu you can use, and therefore Sambandha Agrahanam is there. Sambodhana Agrahanam is there. Sambodhana Agrahanavad Pranasya Bhoktritvam. So Siddhanti says Pranasya Sambodhana Agrahanatva is there because of Uparata Karanatvam. Uparata Karanatvam will happen only if he is Supta, but Prana is Asupta. So tad Asuptasya Pranasya Bhoktritve Uparata Karanatvam Sambodhana Agrahanam va na yuktam. That is not right argument, Siddhanti said. Now that argument is explained in Tika. Nahi Karana Swamini Vyapriyamane Karana Uparamaha Sambhavati. If Karana Swami is active, then Karana cannot go to sleep. If Karana Swami has gone to sleep, then Karana can go to sleep. Like if I am writing with pen, if I fall asleep, then pen will stop writing. Right? Or eyes, we fall asleep, then eyes will close. Eyes say, I don't have to read anything anymore. So Karana Swami, if he is Vyapriyamana, means if he is doing Vyapara, then Karana Uparamaha na sambhavati. तस्य च अनुपरत करणस्य स्वनाम अग्रहणम अयुक्तम इत्यर्थः. And if that tasya Karanaswamina, that Karanaswami, if he is Anuparata Karana, if his Karanas have not rested yet, and still he cannot do Swanama Grahanam, is not true. Swanama Grahanam Ayukta means he should do Swanama Grahanam. Why? Because his Karanas are active. Karanaswami is doing Vyapara. So this Sanghata Abhimani, because of Pranagrasta, has gone to Sushupti. That's what was said. Sushuptatvat Pranagrasta Taya Uparata Karana. Sanghata Abhimani, with respect to Sanghata, is one identity. Sanghata Abhimani, in the absence of Sanghata, is what it is by itself. Sanghata Abhimani, when identified with Sanghata, is one. Same Sanghata Abhimani, when disassociated from Sanghata, is that Kutastha Nyapti Swarupa Drashta. But more questions will come, right? More Shankas are there. Up till now, so what all things have been addressed? Today's address was that Devadatta Nama, if somebody has, he also in Sambodhana, he may not wake up. So Prana also did not hear. That does not become the hetu for Prana becoming Achetana. In Atma Sushuptatva, which is mentioned, that Atma has gone to sleep, it is only because of, it is Pranagrasta. Pranagrasta because all the Karanas, their laya has taken place in Prana. So even if you use the Visheshanama of Atma, like Devadatta, etc., Atma did not respond, does not respond. Other arguments I already recapped before, that if the Abhimana is only in Ekadesha is different. But if Samasta Sanghata Abhimana is there, then only the names referred of one of the Desha or one of the Avayava of the Sanghata, he will not respond. That we already saw yesterday. Now there is next argument. He says these pranas, names that you are referring to, they are all aprasiddha name. You should say prana, apana, vyana, udana, samana, if he is prana. Instead of calling by that name, Pandarvasa and Somaraj, he doesn't think that is him. See, Prananamattvena aprasiddha namabihi sambodhanat tad anuthanam nanatmatvat anuthanam na anatmatvat iti shankate. Prananamattvena aprasiddha namabihi sambodhanat. You have referred to him by those names which are aprasiddha. Aprasiddha namabihi sambodhanat tad anuthanam, it not waking up, is not the sign of its anatmatvam. Prana is anatma, is not true. Na anatmatvat iti shankate. Aprasiddha namabihi sambodhanam ayuktam iti chet. If you refer to it by aprasiddha nama, such sambodhanam is ayuktam. टीका तदेव स्पष्टयति. सन्ति हि प्राण विषयाणि प्रसिद्धानि प्राणादि नामानि. See, Bhashyakar covers all cases. Not that kahan phas gaye. Now we have to justify Shruti. and Shruti is not very clear. So now I am stuck. He doesn't feel like that. He thinks through all cases and explains and will justify. And this role is not easy, to always defend Shruti. At our convenience, we justify, or when it is easy, that is easy. So प्रसिद्ध नाम are प्राण अपान इत्यादि प्राणादि नामानि. टीका. अप्रसिद्धैः बृहत्वादि नामभिः संबोधनम् अयुक्तम्. Giving up the prasiddha nama, prana apan. The nama, what are they? Brihan, Pandaravasa, Somarajan. He sambodhanam ayuktam. Laukika nyaya apohat. You are giving up the laukika nyaya. What is laukika nyaya? Tika. Prasiddham anudya aprasiddham vidheyam iti laukiko nyaya. First you should say what is prasiddha. Then what is aprasiddha can become videya, means its vidhanam should be done. So prasiddha is your what? Uddeshya. Prasiddha is uddeshya. Then aprasiddha will become videya. Uddeshya and videya. If you say, अरे वह तो he is acharya. He means who? If you just use sarvanama, it is aprasiddha. If you say Chaitra, or if Chaitra is standing in front and you say he is acharya, then it is easy to understand. Prasiddham anudya, then aprasiddham videya. On this, lot of acharyas, they explain that how to communicate using minimum words, most accurate jnanam. If you can communicate, you are good acharya or good vakta. You use so many words and you make sure that the other person doesn't understand a single thing. That is not good. So when we also want to explain any topic, we should explain that way. And when we are communicating with anyone, minimum words and the right message. Talking here, there, everything. What is the gist? Nothing. Iti laukiko nyaya. अप्रसिद्ध संज्ञाभिः संबोधनस्य अयुक्तत्वे फलितम् आह. By aprasidha sanya, like Brihan, Pandarvasa, etc., if sambodhanam is done, that sambodhanam is ayuktam, ayuktatve phalitamaha, and therefore tasmad bhoktuhu eva satah pranasya apratipattihi iti chet. Therefore prana is still bhokta. Bhoktuhu eva pranasya satah. Prana, even though it is bhokta, it did not get the recognition. Sambodhanam was inappropriate. You use all the other names which prana itself is not familiar. Like many times after Naishthika Brahmacharya or Sannyasa Diksha, new name is given. Other new name, some people are not used to. So if somebody calls by that new name, they don't even respond. Because they think I am that other name, Purvashram name. So prana also did not respond. Iti chet. टीका चंद्र देवता अस्मिन् देहे कर्त्री भोक्त्री च आत्मा. Those names were of Chandrama. Yes, you were asking, right? Brihat, Pandarvasa, and Somaraja. So those names are actually of Chandrama. Chandra Devata Asmin Dehe Kartri Bhoktri Cha Atma Iti Gargya Abhipraya. What was Gargya's understanding? He was asking to do Upasana. Upasana of Brahma, Atma. Where that Atma is? Chandra Devata in this Sharira. Chandra Devata Asmin Dehe Kartri Bhoktri Cha Atma. Means I have to see that Chandra Devata in this Sharira as Atma. Iti Gargya Abhipraya Nishedhe देवतानाम अग्रहस्य तात्पर्यात् तद्ग्रहो अर्थवान इति परिहरति. Why? See, Siddhanti, what he is saying, Agrahanam was done because that Chandrama is not Atma in this Sharira. Gargya said that Chandrama Devata in this Sharira as Karta Bhokta Atma. In this way you should understand Upasana. This Abhipraya was negated. गार्ग्य अभिप्राय निषेधे देवता नाम ग्रहस्य तात्पर्यात् तद्ग्रहो अर्थवान. That grahanam, see, Purva Pakshi said Brihat, Pandarvasa, these names are aprasiddha. Siddhanti saying Prana Devata, Chandrama Devata, you are saying Chandrama Devata in this Sharira should be meditated as Atma. Therefore, in your understanding, these names should be of Atma. They are not the names of Chandrama. And therefore, that those Nama Grahanam should have been meaningful. That's why those names are taken. That's what this line says. Devata Nama Grahasya Tatparya Tad Graho Arthavan. Those names, their Grahanam was Arthavan. Iti. Na. Devata Pratyakhyan Arthatvat. So, Devata Pratyakhyanam means that Chandrama, the Devata, they are not present in this Sharira as Atma. That refutation is the objective. Ajata Shatru wanted to establish that Chandrama or any other Devata is not Atma in this Sharira, of which the Gargya said, you do Upasana. That is here, that Surya, etc. And therefore he used those names of Chandrama. Same names he used, the ones which Gargya referred that Chandrama by those names. Same names he used. And he said, see, if I use these names, he doesn't wake up. Means that Devata is not present in this Sharira as Atma. That was the idea. Arthavan iti parihati na Devata Pratyakhyan Arthatvat Tadeva Prapanchayati. Now there is explaining what that means. केवल संबोधन मात्र अप्रतिपत्या एव असुप्तस्य आध्यात्मिकस्य प्राणस्य अभोक्तृत्वे सिद्धे यच्चंद्र देवता विषयैर नामभिः संबोधनम तच्चंद्र देवता प्राणो अस्मिन् शरीरे भोक्ता इति गार्ग्यस्य विशेष प्रतिपत्ति निराकरणार्थम। केवल संबोधन मात्र अप्रतिपत्त्या एव, संबोधन बृहत् पांडरवासा बाय दोज नेम्स, संबोधन मात्र अप्रतिपत्त्या एव असुप्तस्य आध्यात्मिकस्य प्राणस्य, प्राण हु इज आध्यात्मिक इन दिस शरीर एंड इज नॉट सुप्त, असुप्तस्य प्राणस्य अभोक्तृत्वे सिद्धे, that it is abhokta. Why? Because केवल संबोधन मात्रात अपप्रतिपत्ति, and therefore यत् चंद्र देवता विषयैहि नामभिः संबोधनम, when the संबोधनम is done by the names of Chandrama devata, यत् चंद्र देवता विषयैहि नामभिः संबोधनम तत् चंद्र देवता प्राणो अस्मिन् शरीरे भोक्ता. Gargya said that Chandra Devata in this Sharira is Bhokta. Chandra Devata Prana Asmin Sharire Bhokta. Iti Gargyasya Vishesha Pratipatti, its Nirakaranam is done. That's why those names are used. Third number Tippani. Vilakshana Abhipraya iti yavat. To show that it is different, means it is not. Then Purvapaksha says, okay, then you could have just used the word prana apana and still you could have done nirakaranam. Pranadi namabhihi sambodhane api tad nirakaranam kartum shakyam iti आशंक्याः. No. Nahi tal laukika namna sambodhane shakyam kartum. By using the laukika names, this devata present in this sharira as karta bhokta atma, that identification would not have happened. Laukika namno devata vishayatva abhavat, because laukika names are not for, or they are not devata's names. So he is using those names which are used for upasana, Vaidika. And then he is doing nirakaranam, that this prana, even though it is awake, it is not supta. And the names which are used are those names by which upasana is done. But prana doesn't hear that. Therefore, prana is not Chaitanya. Prana is abhokta. This is a involved topic and some more questions are there. So I think we can go on, but you have to think and then apply in understanding. Next question I will just tell you. Pranasya abhoktritve api indriyanam bhoktritvam eti kechit tan pratyah. Some people say, okay, prana is abhokta, but indriyas. So this is another charvak matam, kind of, that prana is jada, indriyas are also jada only. Indriya is not atma. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।